Hello everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through the gift card add-on inside the Cleanly Booking plugin, a simple way to boost sales, attract new customers, and offer a smooth gifting experience on your WordPress website. From the admin dashboard, click the gift card menu on the left sidebar. Here, you'll see all the gift cards you've created, displayed in a clean card layout. You can view coupon codes, check expiry dates, and use quick sharing options like Facebook, X, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, email, as well as edit or delete cards. At the top, there's a branch selector. If your business has multiple branches, you can filter gift cards using this dropdown. To create a new gift card, click Add New Card. A pop-up will appear where you can enter the card title, select a coupon. For example, I can make a Black Friday deal card, choose the Black Friday coupon, add share content and hashtags, paste an image URL, and click Add New. And the card is created instantly. Now, let's check the settings. The first option, Display Gift Card option, controls whether the gift card menu appears on the user dashboard. Turn it on to show it, off to hide it. Next, let's look at creating a coupon code. From the left sidebar, go to Discount. Here, you can enable or disable the discount system and see all existing coupon codes. Click any coupon to edit details like title, coupon code, amount, start and expiry dates. Inactive coupons simply won't work during checkout. To add a new coupon, click Add, fill out the form, set the title, coupon code, discount type, amount, dates, minimum amount, usage limit, and status. Click Save Changes and it will appear in the list. When you return to the gift card section and create a new card, you'll see your new coupon in the dropdown. And that's it. Now you know how the gift card add-on works, from creating cards, adjusting settings, to generating coupon codes. Thank you for watching. Enjoy using the gift card add-on and keep your clients engaged.